Hello everyone, welcome to the course of Computer Organization and Architecture. And today's lecture we will talking about what is binary coded decimal, that is BCD code. So let's start. So binary coded decimal, it is also a system to writing numbers in which each digit is encoded by a 4-digit binary number. So if you're talking about a decimal number, for a decimal number, base is 10. Okay, so here we can write as r is equal to 10. So what is the range of this decimal number? Okay, so we can write here the range should be 0 to r minus 1, which is 0 to 10 minus 1, and we can write it as 0 to 9. So for a BCD code, a binary coded decimal, the range will be 0 to 9. Now we will write down the BCD code for decimal digits. So here you can see that what will we do? We will just write the number from 0 to 9. Okay, and then after we will write down the equivalent binary number of each decimal digit from 0 to 9. And here also you can see that the all binary numbers in 4 digit. Okay, so which is basically the position weight. Okay, so here the position weight is 8421, and for the MSB, that is a most significant bit, the weight is 8, and for the less significant bit, that is okay, so for that is weight is there is 1. And also you can see that the number is 4-digit number. Okay, so what will be the maximum value for a 4-digit number? The range should be 2 to the power 4. So why we will not write the remaining numbers in this table? Just write, if suppose that if you will write 10 here, so what will happen? So 10 is a decimal number. It is not a decimal digit. Already we have seen in our definition that each decimal digit is encoded. So here 10 is a decimal number. Why? Because in 10 you can see that there are two digits. First is 0 and another one is 1. So it is a group of symbol. It is a decimal number. It is not a decimal digit. Okay, so we will not use to write the remaining numbers into this table. So this is our BCD code, equivalent BCD code of decimal digits. So now how can we will convert a number which is greater than 9 into a BCD format? So let's see. Okay, so now conversion of decimal number into BCD code. So our first example is 24. 24 is a decimal number where decimal digits are 2 and 4. So what will we do? We will just write down the equivalent decimal. Okay, so we will write equivalent BCD code of different decimal, each decimal digit. Okay, so here what we will do? We will just write equivalent of 2. So what will now we will, with the help of table, we can see that the equivalent of 2 into BCD code. Okay, so in this way here we can write for 2 that is 0010, and for 4 it is basically 0100. So the equivalent BCD code of 24 is 00100 and 0010. So this is basically our equivalent BCD code. So now take another example, that is 352. 352 is a decimal number, and here you can see that the decimal digits are 3, 5 and 2. So what will we do? We will just use the same process, and here also you can see that the equivalent of 3 is 001, and equivalent of 5 is 0101, and equivalent of 2 is 0010. Okay, so this is basically a BCD format of 352. So here the number, equivalent number of this BCD code is 3, and for this it is 5, and for this it is 2. So this is an equivalent form BCD format of this decimal number. Okay, so now what will we do? We will just convert a BCD number back to a decimal format. Okay, so our first example is 10110. So we have to convert this BCD number into a decimal form. So we will start from right side and make a group of 4 digit number. Okay, so here our first group is, this is our first group 0110, and our second group is this. So for in our second group you can see that there is only one digit, that is 1. So what will we do? We will just write 0 for the remaining bits. Okay, so here this is 0 and this is also 0. So this is our basically a second group. Now what will we do? We will just write the equivalent a decimal number of every group. So for the first group the equivalent decimal number is 6, and for the second group the equivalent number is 1. So this is basically 16, which is 16 in decimal form. Now followed by our first example, we can see our second example. Okay, so here this is our second example, and we will use the same process. So we will start from right and make a group of 4 bits. So here the first group is, this is our first group, and also in our second group there is only 3 digits. So what will we do? We will just write down, okay, 0 for the remaining bits, and this is our second group. So our group will be divided, and what will we do then? After, we will just write down the equivalent decimal number of each group. For the first group the equivalent decimal number is 4, and for the second group equivalent decimal number is 5. So this is basically our equivalent decimal number of this BCD code, which is 54. So this is all about BCD code, that is binary coded decimal, and thanks for watching, and please do subscribe the channel